Hello, and welcome to this features and capabilities demonstration of Avaya Cloud Office by RingCentral. In this demo, we'll show how Avaya Cloud Office gives you a complete solution for communications and collaboration. Call, chat, meet, and share information all in one app. This demo is for anyone, especially new users who want to experience the full benefits of Avaya Cloud Office, or anyone still wondering if Avaya Cloud Office is the right choice for your organization. We've organized this demo into two parts. Part 1 is a quick overview of the key capabilities and benefits. Part 2 goes into more detail on the actual experience of using Avaya Cloud Office, such as how the interface is designed, and how to schedule a meeting or handle calls, and how to customize your user settings. For a more in-depth look at administering Avaya Cloud Office for your entire business and how to easily troubleshoot issues that might arise, be sure to look at the Avaya Cloud Office Administration and Troubleshooting demo. So let's get started by looking at some of the key capabilities and benefits of Avaya Cloud Office. We all depend on the solutions that keep us connected. Every day, we're on calls, sending messages, taking part in meetings, sharing information. A key benefit of Avaya Cloud Office is that now you can do all of that with just one app. And you have access to all those features wherever you're working, whether on a phone, a browser, or any mobile device. Avaya Cloud Office makes communications seamless. When you click on a contact, instantly all your options are right there. Message them, make a video call, or a phone call. You can also see their extension, direct number, and email. Click on Email, and Avaya Cloud Office will automatically launch the email application you use, such as Outlook or Google. Want to communicate with someone not in your contacts? Just bring up the dial pad and start dialing. Or click the plus sign. Here are all your options, including inviting someone to use Avaya Cloud Office as a guest. For example, someone outside your organization. Do you often find yourself keeping track of different files and documents by hunting through your emails or cloud storage? Now you don't have to. Avaya Cloud Office keeps all your messages organized, and also your files, images, tasks, and more. They're all collected over here in the right sidebar. For any specific contact, team, or project, just click and they're all there. And if you want an instant look at all the tasks, events, files, and more that you have ever shared with anyone using Avaya Cloud Office, just click on the file drawer icon. You can also directly connect Avaya Cloud Office to some of your favorite apps, like Google, Salesforce, Oracle, and Microsoft. Now you can get access to your communications from inside those applications. No switching back and forth. We've just scratched the surface on all the features you get with Avaya Cloud Office. There are literally dozens. And when you add everything up you get with Avaya Cloud Office versus a traditional communications system, and frankly, even other cloud solutions, the savings can be substantial. As much as 30% and more in the first 2 years alone, as compared to a traditional phone system installed at a business. To learn more or get in direct contact with an Avaya Cloud Office expert, simply go to avaya.com/Cloud Office. Let's look at the actual experience of using Avaya Cloud Office for your communications and collaboration. We'll look quickly at the following: getting to know the interface, messaging, managing your meetings, scheduling your meetings, handling phone calls, managing your presence, hot desking, using third-party apps, customizing your settings. These modules are each just 1 to 2 minutes long. Navigating the Avaya Cloud Office interface is easy. Start with the main icons on the left side and along the top. You'll be using these all the time. Click the message icon to quickly scan your messages. They're all organized for you. Your one-to-one direct messages and all your team messages are here. Up here, Avaya Cloud Office also highlights messages where someone has @mentioned you to get your attention, messages you've bookmarked for follow-up, messages with your favorites. When you click the video icon, you'll see your schedule of meetings and options for launching, scheduling, or recording a meeting. When you click the phone icon, you'll see all your calls. Again, they're all organized for you along with your voicemails, faxes, and texts. Your contacts are here, including your company directory and all your teams. And the file drawer icon gets you to all your tasks, events, files, and notes. When you need quick access to the dial pad, it's always here at the top right. Right next to it is the plus sign for quickly sending a message, creating a team, starting a meeting, and other actions. Finally, the icons at the lower left are also important. System administrators will use the first one to get to information about the performance of your Avaya Cloud Office solution and to do troubleshooting. This one leads you to third-party apps you can use. And the gear icon is where you can adjust the settings to customize your experience with Avaya Cloud Office. Messaging is at the heart of the Avaya Cloud Office experience. It keeps people connected and pulls together a lot of the other communication and collaboration tools you use every day. When you click on the Messaging tab, you'll see all your messages organized for you. Whenever you're using messaging, you can easily attach files, images, assign tasks, set up an event, or make some notes. And all of those things are now organized here in the right sidebar. No more searching through your messages or digging through Dropbox to find a specific file. It's all organized, a persistent, continuous record of any collaboration, whether it's one-on-one or a team effort. Here's a quick tip. You can schedule an event from here inside the Messaging tab. This is a great way to keep track of what's happening with individuals, within a team, and even within the company. Just click on New Event and enter the details. When this is a part of a team messaging thread, the notice automatically goes to everyone on the team. Avaya Cloud Office makes it easy to manage your meetings. Click on the video icon to see your entire schedule of upcoming meetings. Just click Join and go right to the meeting. Or use these icons to start an impromptu meeting, schedule one, or join one that's not on your schedule, but for which you've been provided an access ID. During a meeting, you can invite someone to join by directly calling them or sending them an email or copying the meeting link. Once you're in the meeting, the tools you need are right here. Manage your audio and camera, share your screen, invite someone else to join, see all the current participants, open a chat, record the meeting. Access to key settings are right here, and when you're done, just hang up. Down here on the left is your meeting link that you can instantly copy and send to someone. Also, you can get an instant read on the quality of the call. Here's a neat tip. If you're in a meeting, but you have to do something else and, in effect, step away for a moment, but now you want to get back in, just click on Return to Meeting, and you'll go right back there. You don't have to hunt around for the right window or browser tab. Scheduling a meeting with a person or group of people is easy with Avaya Cloud Office. On the Meetings page, click on Schedule. Now you can enter the meeting title. Let's call it Marketing Review. Now, let's check the settings. You are using your personal meeting ID. You are not muting participants or turning cameras off. You are requiring a password. People can join before you, and everyone can share their screens. You have the option of sending the invite using Outlook or Google. We're using Outlook, so when we click Schedule, it takes us to Outlook, where we complete the rest of the invite, which is putting in the email addresses of all the participants and clicking Send. That's it. The invite has gone out. Avaya Cloud Office provides everything you need for handling phone calls. You can quickly call someone just by clicking on the phone icon in the upper right and bringing up the dial pad. If you're calling a contact, the information will be populated for you. On the call, you're in control. Add someone to the call, put it on hold, transfer it to someone else's extension in your organization. You can also park a call, placing the caller on hold in a designated extension so someone else can pick up that call by dialing that extension. Another great feature is flipping a call. If you're handling a call at your desk and you want to continue on your mobile, just flip it and you're on your way. For incoming calls, you've got the option to respond with a customized voice message. All of your calls are logged in your call history. To get the most out of the Avaya Cloud Office as a team collaboration tool, be sure to keep your status up to date to let people know your availability. Your status is located on your profile button. Green means you're available. Red means do not disturb. Gray means you'd like to be invisible. There are also other options, and you can create your own presence message. If you share a workspace where some days you'll be using a phone, but on other days someone else will use that same phone, you want to take advantage of hot desking. Hot desking enables you to log into a phone and instantly make it your own with access to all of your contacts and settings. To do that, log in with your extension number and the PIN you use for your Avaya Cloud Office account. Then, when you're done for the day, remember to log out. A challenge facing many people today is the hassle of switching between apps. Avaya Cloud Office makes this easy by working directly with your favorite applications. In your administrative portal, you can see some of the apps that Avaya Cloud Office works with. You can download them directly. Do a search for Avaya Cloud Office App Gallery. Avaya Cloud Office comes with over 200 pre-built integrations, so there's a good chance you'll find one of your favorite apps. As a user, you have lots of options for customizing the settings on your Avaya Cloud Office account. Just click on the gear icon and you're ready to go. You'll see all your options for the many notifications and sounds that alert you to incoming communications, whether you prefer the light interface or the dark one, how you want your messages displayed, the settings you want to use for video meetings, settings for your phone calls, the email and other accounts you want to connect to for your calendar and contacts, and also keyboard shortcuts you might find helpful. A lot of the settings are changed right in the app, but in some cases, you'll be redirected to the administrative portal for your organization, located in the cloud. Either way, administering your account is pretty easy. For example, let's quickly look at how to adjust the settings for two great features you might want to use: call screening and blocking. When you use call screening, it requires callers to first announce their names before the call gets connected to you. It's a great way to screen out unwanted calls. Call blocking is even tougher. It lets you choose specific phone numbers and fax numbers that you'd like to block and prevent from calling or faxing your number. To set up these features, click on the gear icon, then the phone icon, and then extension settings. That will take you into your cloud account. There, select screening, greeting, and hold music. Now you'll see your options for enabling call screening and call blocking. One other setting you probably want to be sure to take care of is connecting Avaya Cloud Office to your email calendar. Just click on the gear and then Contacts and Calendars. Now you can choose either Outlook or Google. When you need to put a meeting on those calendars and email a meeting invite, Avaya Cloud Office makes the connection seamlessly. On this screen, you can also set where you import contacts from and how your presence is managed based on what's on your calendar. That completes our overview of Avaya Cloud Office. It's designed to be a complete solution for communications and collaboration that streamlines your day. And we're constantly adding capabilities and enhancements. To learn more or get in direct contact with an Avaya Cloud Office expert, simply go to avaya.com/cloud office and you can get connected right away.